Hey y'all, welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue, where we take all the smoky goodness of the South, throw in a dash of chaos, a pinch of fire, and apparently spontaneous beard trimming services. Y'all, I'm not saying I learned my lesson about checking the fire with my face in the danger zone, but I am saying I got a new respect for fire safety and a lot less beard oil to buy this month. Today, we're diving into the TikTok sensation Smashburger Taco. But of course, we're putting a little twist on it and we're gonna do it Southwest style, because why not? Think juicy burger patties smashed on a flour tortilla, charred to perfection, smothered in cheese, and loaded with all the spicy, smoky, and downright delicious flavors that scream, eat me now or regret it forever. And don't worry, the only thing getting charred this time is the meat. Let's get these Southwest smash burgers going, shall we? For every good taco or every good burger, you gotta have a sauce or a special sauce. We're starting out with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of buttermilk, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder, and some ranch seasoning mix. I love this stuff. A teaspoon or so of that. Throw in our avocado. And a little bit of chipotle and adobo sauce in there. Stir that in. That stirring's for the birds. Let's bring out the big guns. Let's thin it out a little bit with a little bit more buttermilk. I'm liking that consistency. So we got some ground beef here. This is way too much for this party, but we're gonna be making these 3-ounce patties. And we're using 80-20. We're just gonna roll these up in a little bit of a ball like that. Set them off to the side. Today we're gonna be seasoning these patties up with a little Uncle Steve's thick meat. He put my old label on this, but this is his actual logo right here. Good stuff. So thick meat. This is the SPG. This would go great on it as well. I'll leave a link below. We're gonna take a little Uncle Steve shake and we're gonna throw it on this tortilla right here. This way we're making sure we get both sides. Put your patty down on there. Take some parchment paper or something, whatever you got, and then smash it down. We'll season that other one outside. Now let's get that Blackstone fired up. That's a poblano, by the way. Let's throw some of this Uncle Steve shake on there. All right, going down. I don't know where my dome is. All right, let's give this a sample and see what we got. This is one stupid good taco. If you want a twist on a burger or a taco, this is certainly where it's at. I get it now. All right, guys, the Southwest Smashburger Taco. Do it.